Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews and unboxings. Today I'll be reviewing and talking about story jewelry. So this is all about, as the name says, it's all about the story behind the jewelry. Okay, so it comes in a bag like this. Here's the story. It says, she doesn't beg, force, or chase. She prays, works, and has faith. I'm a size 7 ring. Just comes packaged like this. Okay, so I know it's really tiny, but basically it says Jesus on there, and then there is, there's a little fish and diamonds around there as well. Super elegant, super cute. It could be a promise ring as well, if you wanted it to be. But yeah, that's the first ring. Next, same packaging. Ring comes in here along with the story, which says, belief in yourself like I do. And the ring is an actual leaf. This ring has a little bit more flexibility because there is some space in between there. So you can pull it apart a little bit so it can fit on more, different fingers and so on and so forth. That's what it looks like. I think this looks good as a thumb ring, but wherever you would like to wear it. But belief in yourself when you see this ring. The third one, the story is, to my daughter, whenever you feel overwhelmed, always remember to pray on it, pray over it, and pray through it. And this one also has a space in between. So just in case you get the wrong size, as I said, once again, you can go ahead and pull it apart to make it fit your actual hand. It's just a bedazzled cross with a heart on there, like that. Really elegant, delicate, and just a nice reminder to always wear. So yeah, it's just a really thoughtful gift to give someone that's like a prepackaged message already in there that ties in really well with the ring. So if you want to purchase any of these rings or check out their different designs and messages, check out the link below. And for more product unboxings, openings, and reviews, continue watching, subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about these rings, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.